take. I don't mind the plans I break. Morning comes without a race. I arrive at my own pace. Every breath a gentle start. Stillness teaching me its art. Living slowly feels like art. Every pause a perfect part. If I fall behind the race, I fall into a better place. Sunlight resting on the floor.